In this video, I'm going to talk about a new product called Yavos. Yavos is similar to Android applications that run on mobile phones. It connects the same way to Android web client, but the feature or the advantage of Yavos is that you can run it on Raspberry Pi. So for those who don't like putting mobile on the vehicle, on the drone or plane or whatever, now you can put your Raspberry Pi and connect it to your Big Hawk or Cube or whatever board, and you can even connect cameras, multiple cameras, not a single camera, and you can connect it to a LTE 4G stick, and you have an equivalent Android application, but it runs on Linux based boards. Now let's begin. What we are going to see in this video is a typical telemetry presentation of Android, but this time I am running Yavos, not Android. It runs on Raspberry Pi Zero, and it is connected to a Raspberry Pi 4. Typically, it should be connected to a Big Hawk or a Cube. But in my case, I run it on Raspberry Pi 4, and on Raspberry Pi 4, I put a SITL. SITL is a software simulation of Autopilot, so it behaves exactly the same as if there were a drone. And the Raspberry Pi Zero that runs Yavos is connected to it via a serial port. So this is a typical way to connect these systems together. Now we connect to Android website.
Connected.
Okay, as you can see, Android web client can detect the Yavos unit. Yavos unit here is based on the simulation. I chose just a random location. I found it on internet. It's purely random, so I chose this location. Now I will go to activate telemetry and try to connect using ground control, Q-ground control. As you can see, Webplugin is not found. Webplugin is the application that you need to run to connect Android web client to the ground stations such as Mission Planner or Q-ground control. So let's go and activate Webplugin. Here it is, Android Webplugin. You can install it using npm command, npm install Android plugin, and then I choose to run Android plugin with port 13550. Typically, you don't change this port, and it is 14550, 14450. Sorry, but I just choose to change it. Okay, now it is active. So let's go back to the website. Here it is. Now we will activate the telemetry. Now the telemetry is activated because Android web plugin is working. Now let's go to the ground control. Let's connect to the board.
Guided flight mode.
Add_UAVOS_OS succeeded.
As we can see now, Android is the Q-ground control is connected to the board via Android, via internet, so it can be any location in the world. It is downloading the parameters now. By the way, I checked that this is a high latency connection here. Okay, this is a similar one. High latency. This is a similar port. my internet speed here is not high. Actually, it is about 10 megabytes only. Well, now the drone is ready, and I already uploaded a plan to it in a previous trial. So we can go here and try to clear this plan.
Add underscore UAVOS underscore OS mission accepted. OK.
And add another one.
Add underscore UAVOS underscore OS mission item received out of sequence.
Okay, now let's try it.
Auto flight
Add
mode.
underscore UAVOS underscore
Guided
OS
flight
succeeded.
mode. Armed.
Add underscore UAVOS underscore OS succeeded. Add underscore UAVOS underscore OS EKF3 IMU 1 meg 0 in flight. Alignment complete.
Auto
Add
flight
underscore
mode.
UAVOS underscore OS succeeded. Add underscore UAVOS underscore OS mission 2WP. Add underscore UAVOS underscore OS reached command number 2. Add underscore UAVOS underscore OS reached command number 3. Add underscore UAVOS underscore OS reached command number 4. Add underscore UAVOS underscore OS reached command number 5.
Again, the data goes as follows. The Yavuz unit that is
Add underscore
connected.
UAVOS underscore OS reached command number 6.
Okay, the Yavuz unit that is connected to the Raspberry Pi 4 board receives the data from the Raspberry Pi 4
Add
board,
underscore UAVOS underscore OS reached command number 7.
and this data is transmitted to Android website via internet, and then I connect using Android web client here. So the data is sent back to Android web client, and then I use Android Webplugin to send the data to QGround control. And as you can see, the update rate of the plane is quite good, and all information is displayed and accessible. Thank you for watching this video.